First of all, very good morning to all. Myself Shivani Kohani. Today I present my presentation, which topic is Uttar Pradesh. In this presentation, we learn many things. What is Uttar Pradesh and what is the main role of Uttar Pradesh in our India. So let's start. This is my presentation slide. In this slide, we see the map of Uttar Pradesh and their childrens. Second one is content. First we see introduction, and second one is tourist place, third one is geography, and fourth one is culture and religion, and fifth one is history, and the last one is conclusion, where I thanks to presentation and I say about the what I learned from this presentation. So first one is introduction. It was created on 1 April 1937 as the United Province of Agra and Oudh during the British rule, and was renamed Uttar Pradesh in 1950, giving in the acronym UP. The state is divided into 18 divisions and 75 districts, with the state capital being Lucknow and Allahabad. After that we see tourist place. I mention 5 tourist places of Uttar Pradesh. First is Taj Mahal, second one is Kumbh Mela, and third one is Jhansi, and fifth one is Ayodhya, and the last one is Varanasi. Taj Mahal, as we know, it is situated in the Agra, and it is very famous place of the Uttar Pradesh, and we mainly go on the Taj Mahal to click photos and see the beauty of Taj Mahal, and and second one is Kumbh Mela. Kumbh Mela is very famous Mela of the Uttar Pradesh, where we celebrate all the things and see all the things and near of Ganga, and it is too much famous Mela. And third one is Jhansi. As we know about the Jhansi ki Rani Lakshmi Bai, it is too much famous for Jhansi because of the Lakshmi Bai, and she is the woman fighter. And fourth one is Ayodhya. Ayodhya is the famous for Ram Bhagwan birthplace, and fifth one is Varanasi. Varanasi is a very famous place of the Uttar Pradesh. So Uttar Pradesh, with a total area of the 2,43,290 square kilometer, and it is India's 4th largest state in the terms of land area. So let's we see religion, culture and religion. The religion percentage of Hindu is 79.7%, Muslim is 19.2%, and other religion like Sikh, Jain, Buddhism, etc. are lower than 1%. As we see the language in Uttar Pradesh, mainly uses of Hindi, which is 91.32%, and the Urdu, English, Avdi are used not too much. The famous music and famous dance. The famous music of the Uttar Pradesh is Sohar, Kazari, Tumri, Chhati, Ala, Biraha, Swani, and the famous dance of the Uttar Pradesh is Kathak. Kathak is most famous, and it is related to our culture, our Hindu culture, and also on Sanskrit. So after that, festival which are mainly very well celebrated on Uttar Pradesh, which is Chhath Puja. Chhath Puja is very famous on the Uttar Pradesh and Bihar also, and which is only on celebrate on Uttar Pradesh, that is Lucknow festival, and many more festival are also celebrate on Uttar Pradesh like Diwali, Holi, and other one also. The famous food of the Uttar Pradesh is cuisine, biryani, kebab, cham cham, and these are the very famous uses on eating food on Uttar Pradesh. And biryani is non-vegetarian also. And the famous person of the Uttar Pradesh, which is Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan is a film actor which is who is also from Uttar Pradesh, and Irfan Habib and Kishan Maharaj and other one also many famous actor. So after that, the history. In history, I take two things, which is Babri Masjid and Mathura. So let's see Babri Masjid and Mathura. The Babri Masjid, it is the mosque of Babur, was built in the early 16th century by the Mughal Emperor Babur on a site of traditionally identified as a Rama's birthplace, as the location of the ancient Hindu temple of the Ram Janmabhoomi. And as we see Mathura, traditional history, Ayodhya was early capital of the kingdom of Kosala. Though in these Buddhist times, Srivastava became the kingdom's chief city. Seculars generally agree that Ayodhya is identically with the town of Saketa, with the Buddha is said to have resided for a time. So last, for the conclusion, thank you for your attention on my presentation. In this presentation I learned what is Uttar Pradesh and who is the famous person of the Uttar Pradesh, like Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan is very famous person, and thanks to her.
You tell me, as per 2011 census, you tell me what is the population of Uttar Pradesh?
I can't remember.
No. How many seats are available in Uttar Pradesh for Lok Sabha? Okay. You tell me, how many states share boundary with Uttar Pradesh?
How many states? 7.
7. Tell me the names.
Uttarakhand,
Yes.
Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, and Chhattisgarh, and Jharkhand and Bihar.
What about Himachal Pradesh?
Yes, sir.
No. Uttar Pradesh does not touch boundary with Himachal Pradesh. Okay, good. Clap for her. Good.